He's very well known.
Well, I've written a letter to the Caravan and Camping Club.
Yeah.
I showed it your fella now.
So you've been to this place that is quite well known,
Yes.
and you've got them to do some work,
This was last April.
So they've fitted an inverter, which is behind the passenger seat.
Yes. The battery should
And
have been under the seat.
Yeah.
And the reckon they couldn't get it in. Then we discovered, when I got home, you see, I'd got a 110 battery on.
Yeah.
And I wanted to double the output.
Yeah.
So I said, oh, we've got a 135
Yeah.
and an 85.
Yeah.
Put them on.
Well, that's wrong for a start.
Yes, I contacted Banner direct when I got
Yeah.
our local firm, and he says they don't make a 135. There's 3 numbers on the banner. It's the middle number that is the number. That is a discharge rate, evidently the one on the right, so I was told.
Yeah.
Nothing to do with the battery. So I rang them up. They were adamant, couldn't get through to them. They refused to answer the phone. Once they've served you,
Is that the customer service?
the customer service department, is not available. It took me over a fortnight. I've been ringing, asked her to ring back. I've rang them every day. And eventually I got the fellow that signed it over to me, they'd gone for the job. And I says, you put the wrong battery on. Oh no, we're not. So I said, I know you put the wrong battery on. I said, they don't make one. Oh yes, they do. I said, you check with Banner then.
So did you manage to get it fixed in the end?
So what I went back up, and he said, I'll have to charge you another 50 quid for the right battery. So they took the battery off, this 85 amp one.
Yeah.
I've got the 135 as they say as
Yeah.
well. I've still got that.
Yeah.
Because he went back and he said, well, it is that. I says, I've spoken to the fella that delivered the batteries to you
Yeah.
from Rudesley.
Yeah.
Because when I asked the bloke, a typical Brummie, and he said, oh, I delivered them last week, so I know what batteries you've got.
So, but apart from the batteries, they've installed an inverter.
Yeah, that's
and what they've done, they've run the cable to this socket.
From that side, all the way back.
All the way to here.
To there. Instead of your fellow last time over said it could have gone in where he's put the new.
So we had to, So what they did, they ran the wire underneath and they cable tied to the vehicle suspension.
Yes.
So that when you took it for an MOT, they said, no, that's virtually lethal, basically.
Yeah, he's had to put different cable
It's
ties
just,
on.
and the idea was, he's given you a cable to connect from here.
I've got a short
to
cable you plug in,
short cable to go to there.
It's impossible to have mains on it.
So that sounds great, but what you do now, if you plug the inverter into there, you're going to be running the fridge, which means you're going to drain the battery in an hour, a couple of hours. Oh yeah, it's absolutely, frankly, it's insane. But what's happened now, you've come back to see us because we've got a solar. They installed solar panels at the same time, and one of them's just flown off completely.
Yeah, the cable's hanging down the back where the back is.
Cables hanging around the back.
And I've been on the roof then when I got to the site, borrowed a ladder.
Yeah.
Taped them all back on.
But I just can't believe the stuff they've used to stick it on.
Yeah.
Is bathroom sealant.
What I wanted to come over and see.
It's not even proper sealant.
The wife said, you need to ring them up. I said, I need some more advice first. I said,
and this one here is.
The middle one is loose altogether.
It's going to come off as well.
The others seem to be stuck.
Yeah.
The middle one I know is loose because you can lift the panel down. I'll put that clear tape over.
Yeah.
Just to get back home.
It's just quite extraordinary, and people like this are advertising in the Caravan Club magazine and the other magazines, and they're at shows.
All I've done at present, I've posted a letter straight off to them yesterday when I got home.
Yeah.
And that's what
There's the letter. Okay. Right, well, I'm going to cut it there. I think that's enough. I'm just trying to explain the dangers of dealing with people who they might they might talk the talk, but when it comes to walking the walk, they don't do it. I don't know why. Maybe because they don't know how to, or because they just can't be bothered, or they're not interested. I don't know what it is, but it's wrong. It's just wrong.
Yes.